Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, and today we got a Z mod, baby. We got all the boyos over there, but they are G35 splash guards and they go like right there. I'm not gonna put it on there yet because it's not clean, and I already cleaned these, so I haven't cleaned the bumper. But these are like literally 80 bucks. They're super easy to install. Literally all you need is a screw for right here, a screw for down here. No, not even. Wait, yeah, a screw for down here, and then the bolt that comes in the bumper goes there, and then 3M tape all along here and all around, like all along right there, and then all along up here. I got some 3M tape, and that's literally it. It's like the actual part itself costs $80, and it looks awesome. So we're gonna do that today. Also, look, it's still a sad day because you still have the drift spares on the back, and that sucks. But these 80 bucks looks really good in my opinion, at least. I don't know if you guys like them or not, but I like them, and they're dirt cheap, so we're gonna do it. All right, and we might also be doing the bumper tuck today. We'll see. The bumper tuck is literally free, so if you do the bumper tuck, or if you want a free 350Z mod that actually makes a big difference, bumper tuck, baby. Also guys, before I get, we're doing a giveaway of a t-shirt of your color and your size, your choice, or whatever. All you have to do to enter is make sure you're following me on Instagram at ss.markey, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and comment down below on this video and the rest of the videos for this week your Instagram name, and you're entered. That's all you have to do. But yeah, that's all we're doing today, is just this $80 cheap little G35 splash guard mod, and then maybe the bumper tuck if we have enough time.
What it do?
Alright, so there's literally a bolt right there, and there's a bumper bolt right here, and then Zach is working his magic with the 3M tape over here.
Are those real 3-piece?
Yeah, there's a 7-piece wheels.
Huh?
There's 7-piece wheels. There's this part right here is 1 piece. These spokes are another piece. This outer rim thing is another. What? Is it not sticking?
Not at all.
Dude, why is it sticking? Why? Do you have to like heat up 3M tape or something? Cause that one up there stuck like perfectly fine. Oh, was it just the beginning?
3-piece. No.
It's not sticky again?
Hold up.
Dude, this is so confusing. Hi, Chris. Hi, Zach.
Hello. Hey there, Delilah.
So your 3-piece wheels
correct? Dude, this is actual hardware too.
Yeah,
on the back.
Yeah, it is actual hardware. If you take it out, though, it doesn't do anything.
Alright, here, I'll take them out for you.
Don't take them out for me, but if you took them out, they wouldn't do anything.
We're gonna
drill a hole through my XXR badge. What the hell, my XXR badge was this?
Yeah, dude, it's not sticking.
What?
Why does it have a why is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
it's a clock,
8,
so you can tell the
9.
time when you're driving. Ah. Alright, hold on, boys. We gotta figure this out. This 3M tape isn't sticking, but if you have normal 3M tape, then you should be good. Oh my god, it's upside down. Okay, well we just couldn't get the 3M tape to stick, so we opted for a new method where
down here a little bit.
we both need, there's a bolt down here right where Chris's heat gun is pointing. Actually, he's trying to burn it.
Where my feet gun is. Look at that, Mark. It's closing up real good.
It is actually.
Yeah, next thing we should use it.
Take the heat gun off and get it out of there.
Mark, next thing we should do is use this on your mouth so it shuts it up.
Wow, Zach, did you know that Chris thinks he's a comedian?
I did.
Well,
Mark, do you think you're cute?
Yeah, a little bit. But then anyway, now Chris is just applying my new album, my new YouTube video. Oh,
why is it upside down?
because I started recording and it was upside down. I really hope this whole clip is
Hello. Is anybody there?
But now we're just applying the heat, and we should be all set. This 3M tape smells like parts, guys. Alright, so both the splash guards, whatever you want to call them, are on there. They look good. I like it. It looks good. Really nice little touch. Little tiny touches until we get to the big stuff. But right now, a little tiny touch on that side. But this side kind of stinks like dog farts. Oh my god, that is hideous. That is so bad. That is so bad. But I'm just going to get super glue and glue it on there, because I don't ever have an intent of taking off. There's no reason why I should ever have to take that off. So, all you have to do is, Chris, show them what you guys.
Drill 2 holes in this.
Three holes.
3 holes. Push it up.
Ow. You got to push this little middle part up, right?
Yeah, all the way up to a metal.
All the way up to the metal bumper there, and drill
8 holes.
3 holes, one on each side and then one in the middle. And that's all you gotta do. Oh, and you also want to make sure you get obviously the bolts, but you also want to get washers, because
you don't want to get 3M
you don't
tape.
want to crack the bumper If you're drilling a hole right into the bumper, it could crack it. So make sure you get some more.
No, we can just 3M tape it up.
Yeah, since my 3M tape skills are just, I guess, sub-zero, we're gonna 3M tape up.
Dude, it's alright. I'm sponsored by 3M.
Chris is sponsored by 3M. I just heard this. This is my first time ever hearing that Chris is sponsored by 3M. But yeah, that's all you gotta do, baby. Look, it's YouTuber hands. So then you go there and you gotta do it that way. You do it. This is how YouTubers always point to things.
You throw gang signs, you're gonna get jumped.
I wasn't throwing up gang signs.
Bud.
I wish you had better lighting in here because my YouTube videos is like.
I wish you were better.
Than dark.
I wish you were good enough.
Than dark. It's just because Zach is so shining.
Only if you were good enough.
I had to have gone through. Okay, so we gotta, to lift it up instead of you having somebody push it up, you gotta jack it. We jacked it up.
Jack it up, boy.
And Zach just now got himself situated. Here's the ratchet.
Mark, you want a chip?
You guys want a chip?
Yeah.
So,
Boy, what the hell, boy?
but yeah, here's your jack. We put a couple claws underneath it. Just so it's not like a bare metal on your. Just so that it's not on the bare bumper, on the bare everything. Bare metal, bare bumper, bare Chris's butt cheeks. Hey, you can't show that on the Poo and Tube. Now we're praying to the Lords above that this works. Lords above, please help me this work.
Ready to go for that.
Did it work? Is it bolting in?
I think it will.
Did we drill too big of a hole?
No.
Oh. I think you're loosening it.
Nah, G. It's working.
It's working?
I think.
Alright, you can kind of see.
I cap.
I should really be shining the light. So that's where the first one's going over there on the right side. We're gonna put one right here after we get both these done.
Somebody
and then
on
one over
TikTok
here.
made a grilled cheese,
Oh, yeah,
but instead
that's
of using
right.
butter, they used mayo.
That's disgusting. That's like, that is disgusting. I'm shining this light right in Zach's eyes. We just took a little drill bit, one of these little guys right here. Then we took a bigger drill bit, one of those guys. First drilled into this, then drilled to that. And some bolts, washers, well these are screws technically, but screws, washers. And she's in there.
Work? Oh, my bad.
She's in there happily. It worked. Now we just gotta do this side and then the middle. That's literally it. It's literally free.
One of those tapping things.
It's literally free. You buy bolts and then it's also really easy to do. So it's a great mod. If you're looking to a 350Z mod, it's dirt cheap. These over here are great. They're 80 bucks. And then
Yeah.
bumper tuck is literally free. And that's how you do them too. I'll update you guys when it actually is.
What do you mean don't fade?
It's done, but for right now, that's all.
What is wrong?
All right. Anyway, so we got it's all set. It's all set. Everybody's telling you to do 3 bolts, but we did 2 on both sides, and honestly, it's just as good as it would look with 3.
Best ones when I was doing on the top of the ladder.
And it looks sick nasty.
Chair over there.
Maybe I'll end up adding a 3rd one if I don't like it, but I don't know. I think I like it, so.
Let me speak. We didn't
Look at
put
that.
3 bolts in as well because it would push the middle up and cause more stress on the bumper, make it crack.
Yep. And then for these things, I like them. Right now I kind of don't, but the only reason why I think I don't like them is because they kind of like stick out a little bit, and you can really tell. But then with the freaking fitment being just bonk and ridiculous, it adds like a little bit of extra flair on the back. It makes it look even worse fitment. So I think if I had the nice tires on the back, it would look a lot better, and I like those a lot better. On top of that,
sick.
yeah, those wheels are pretty nice. But then on top of that, this side is just, this isn't our fault, all right? We bought the cheap, well, Ben bought the cheapos, and he was like,
Dog, you see me out here with this Gucci broom? You think I'd be buying?
Yeah, then do
eBay?
then do be having the
Hey, what
Gucci.
about your front bumper? Hey, we're not gonna talk about my front bumper.
Hey, my front bumper is KBD body kits, so we're chilling.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
You know what Benz is?
What?
eBay.
Hey,
No,
eBay
talk about
Motors.
real M3. Don't listen.
eBay
to
Motors.
You guys like the swag? Y'all like the swag? Yo, Zach, show them the swag real quick. Show them the swag.
What?
My swag I got going on right now. Show them the swag.
Oh.
No, on the camera, on the GoPro.
Oh.
Look at the swag, boys. Look at the swag. Come on now. Come on. All right. Anyway, guys. So he always does. He's a poop scoop. He's a mad pooper. This guy poops all the time. What are you doing? All right. Anyway, I just gotta get a thumbnail now because I literally always never get thumbnails. So we gotta get a thumbnail. No, not yet. I'm doing the outro. Hold on. And so, all right. So listen. Here's the deal. G35 mud flaps. These are literally $80. This roof spoiler is $100, and then the bumper tuck is completely free. If you guys have a 350Z and you're looking for some cheap modifications to do to your car, that's all you gotta do, man. 120 bucks, looks sick. This is $20. Deletes the freaking windshield.
How good are
wiper.
you at Photoshop?
Terrible. I've never used
So it
Photoshop.
looks like I'm floating.
Splash guards, 80 bucks. Bumper tuck is completely bone free. That's it for today. Like I said, nothing really crazy. We're not going too sicko mode on the car just yet.
Sucks.
We're getting all the tiny things done first, because then once the tiny things are done, we're hitting into the interior, making it safe and comfortable to drive. And then after that, we're doing some suspension work, because this puppy's already fast, my boy. I don't even need more power yet. So then we're gonna do some suspension work, get this puppy all set up, and then eventually we'll go into the engine and FBO and tune and turbo. Dude, turbos are dirt cheap for this car, so like I can't even.
Imagine you couldn't stop it.
Yeah, imagine if it was too heavy and it just. Alright, but anyway, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Ben, you gotta do it.
If you enjoyed, like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh my God,
To enter
wait,
into
let me
the
get my mask.
Yo, listen to this, guys. To enter into the giveaway, that's right. We're doing a giveaway, boys.
We're doing a
To
giveaway.
enter into the
Hold
giveaway,
it like this.
comment down below your Instagram name. Follow
Hey,
me on
do this.
Instagram at ss.markey. And
Oh my God.
and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. We'll be choosing the winner on Sunday.
You gotta do that thing.
And that's Vidania. Have a nice night.